Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to create something different. I'm gonna make scrunchie for my daughter. I bought this sewing machine 5 years ago but haven't been using it that much. I thought I would make some cute dresses for my daughter, but sewing is just too hard for me. I felt overwhelmed just looking at the sewing pattern and I didn't know where to start. As far as I remember, I only used this machine to sew some pillowcases and curtains. As a full-time mother with young kids, it's difficult to attend physical class. I actually prefer pre-recorded online class so I can learn during the kids' nap time. I recently came across this website called Fabrica. This is an online platform for crafters and designers with a community of more than 1 million users. I love the classes that they offer. You can find a wide range of classes covering different topics such as painting, paper crafting, crochet, embroidery, illustrating, and so much more. And the best thing is, since the class is not a live online class, you can watch the class whenever you have time. You can rewatch it as long as you're a member. And not only that, there are thousands of crochet patterns, sewing and embroidery pattern, and also digital art, which you can download as many as you want when you become a member. Currently, they offer all access subscription with a $1 trial. That means you can get access to the needlecraft patterns, and you also can get access to fonts, graphics, embroidery designs, paper crafting templates, and so much more. Or if you're a designer like me, you can open your store with them, which I just did. If you would like to see my store, I will provide the link in the description box below. I feel that this is a perfect place to find motivation and inspiration when you need it, because as a creative people, sometimes you just need to get inspired from other people too. Alright, let's go back to today's vlog. Since I'm new to sewing, I'm gonna start with something easy. I downloaded the scrunchie pattern from Sweet Mama Mix a few days ago. I love her store. She's a mother with 4 girls and she has other cute patterns in her store, such as this baby bonnet. If you would like to check out her store, I will put the link in the description box below. In total, there are 7 scrunchie patterns in printable PDF format. There's a classic scrunchie pattern, extra fluffy scrunchie, a scrunchie with long tails that can be tied into a pretty bow, and my favorite, this bunny ears scrunchie pattern. I started with printing out all the scrunchie patterns and cut them out one by one. I decided to make 3 scrunchie today. My daughter likes the bunny ear scrunchie and the scrunchie with the long tails. As for the fabric, I used this cotton fabric. The pattern said I can use any kind of fabric material. I started to pin the pattern on the fabric and cut them out one by one. I used this floral fabric to make the long tail scrunchie. My daughter is very girly. She likes pink color, she likes flower motif, and I think this floral print will look good on her. After I cut out all the fabrics, now it's time for the fun part, which is sewing. Alright, I'm finally done with the sewing, and now it's time to put everything together. This is how the long tail scrunchie looks like. I really love it. It's so feminine and you can style it in many ways. You can leave the tail as it is, or you can tie a bow like this. So far I have made these two scrunchie, the long tail scrunchie and the one with the bunny ears. I made this blue crochet flower necklace a while ago, and I thought it would look cute if I sewed the flowers on the bunny ears. So I took out all the flowers and I sewed them one by one on the bunny ears. I really love the idea of adding crochet flowers to your scrunchie, so I decided to make another one. This time I used this deep dark pink color, almost like red, and I sewed these puff crochet flowers on the bunny ears. And this is how it looks like. What do you think? I personally really love it. If you have any idea what you can add to your scrunchie, let me know in the comment section. I would love to read that. I had fun making this scrunchie. I think this is a very easy sewing project, perfect for beginner like me. If you love crochet, embroidery, sewing, and all the art and craft project, you definitely should check out Creative Fabrica. There are tons of craft patterns that you can get, lots of classes that you can join. I will put all the information and the link in the description box below. Thank you everyone for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this video and got some inspiration. And I'm gonna see you in my next video.